Daegu Metropolitan City, South Korea. The Hyundai Robotics Daegu plant. Hyundai Robotics completed construction of the new robotics plant in March 2017. With an annual production capacity of 8,000 units, this property encompasses more than 78,000 square meters of land and more than 23,700 square meters of factory space. The history of the Korean robot industry was written here, and today the future of the global robot industry is being written here too. Production unit inside the plant. More than 100 employees work in this area, which produces the core products of Hyundai Robotics, such as industrial and cleaning robots. Industrial robot production line. This is the assembly process for the industrial robot, which is the flagship product of Hyundai Robotics. The robot's base module is set and the upper frame and gas spring are assembled before it enters the automated assembly line. Automated assembly by robots and collaborative production by human workers provide a glimpse into the factory of the future. Industrial robot paint line. The assembled robot is masked and it enters the paint line. The paint robot, which was built in-house, begins its meticulous and precise craft. Wiring assembly process. Here is where the machine's wires are connected, and the cables and optional components are assembled. In the faces of the skilled Hyundai Robotics employees, you can sense a resolution that goes even beyond methodical deliberation. AGV. The AGVs carry the completed robots to the testing area. This unmanned vehicle not only increases productivity, but also reduces accidents via its double-layered safety device. Testing area. Inside the square fence, the robot moves with intensity and continuously runs the load test. The reputation of Hyundai Robotics depends on this robot, and it is undergoing an inspection that will leave no stone unturned. Center of the production plant. This is the office from where the entire facility is visible. Here, through an integrated control system, real-time production and management information can be viewed by monitoring the operational status of the automated production equipment. LCD robot production line. Precision assembly of LCD panel transport robots takes place here, which is called the clean room. Because it is important to maintain an optimally clean operating environment here. The shipping area, where completed robots go through the packaging and shipping process. They move along carefully with hopes that all the robots will perform their best in their respective areas. Last but not least, the greatest pride of Hyundai Robotics. The robots that work hard without stopping, and the Hyundai Robotics employees that give their all every day for these robots. The smallest of errors are unacceptable to them, and they are putting in a hard day's work and doing their share.